To retrieve such a dynamic parameter here, I can simply go to my user component, and here, let's say I want to output the loaded ID. So here, loaded ID. I'll move it above the button here, and I'll add my data method to store the property or this ID I'm getting in a property, ID. And this shall now be this route params ID. This is how you access your data. You access the route object, $route, again provided by VueJS. So router is the router itself where we could navigate and so on. And $route is the active route, so the route which was loaded. And this route happens to have a params object. Again, you can visit the Vue router documentation to learn more about all available objects or properties in general on the route object. Now, params again is an object which holds key value pairs of the parameters we're passing in the route. Now, we only have one key set up, ID here, which is why we can access it like this in here, ID. Now, that allows me to dynamically output it here. So by simply outputting ID between curly braces, and now you already see loaded ID is 10, and if I manually change this here, you see now it's 5. This is how you can access the parameter you're passing, how you can pass it dynamically in the first place, and then output it like this in your template. You don't have a problem with accessing it on your route because this component will only be created once your route has been loaded. So this ID parameter will always be available when you access it here. But there is a case where you will encounter a problem, and we'll have a look at this case in the next video.